Hi everyone, welcome to the SalesPlay POS tutorial series. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up different types of printers in SalesPlay POS. SalesPlay supports 4 printer types: USB printers, Bluetooth printers, Wi-Fi printers, network, Ethernet printers. Let's go step by step and get each one set up. Let's start with USB printers. First, connect the printer to your POS device using a USB cable. If you're using a tablet, make sure to use a compatible USB adapter or converter. Once it's connected, open the SalesPlay POS app. Go to the main menu, tap Settings, select Printers, then tap Setup. Now 1. Enter a name for your printer. 2. From the model list, choose your printer. If you don't see it listed, select Other Model. 3. In the connection mode, select USB. If the printer doesn't appear, tap Search to detect it. Next, choose the correct printer paper size for your model. Under Advanced Settings, you can switch between Graphic Enhanced and Graphic Legacy if your language characters aren't printing correctly. Add extra space at the bottom of receipts using Receipt Edge Space. Print Width Adjustment allows you to fine-tune the printed area of your receipts in the SalesPlay POS app. By increasing or decreasing the print width, you can ensure receipts align perfectly with your thermal paper rolls. Enter Drawer ESC POS commands if you're using a cash drawer. These commands trigger the drawer to open after printing. If you're not using a drawer, just skip this section. Tap Save when you're done and always run a test print before going live. Make sure to enable key options like Print Receipts and Bills, Styled Header for bold and clear headings, Automatically Print Receipts if you want auto printing. If you're using the POS in a restaurant, you can also enable KOT, Kitchen Order Ticket, BOT, Bar Order Ticket. You can even style KOTS with bold fonts or set them to print one product per ticket. That's it. Your USB printer is ready. Now let's set up a Bluetooth printer. Turn on your printer and enable Bluetooth on your POS device. Pair the printer. If you're asked for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Once it paired, open the SalesPlay POS app. Go to the main menu, tap Settings, select Printers, then tap Setup. Now 1. Enter a name for your printer. 2. From the model list, choose your printer. If you don't see it listed, select Other Model. 3. In the connection mode, Bluetooth. Allow permission. If the printer doesn't appear, tap Search to detect it. Next, choose the correct printer paper size for your model. Make sure to enable key options like Print Receipts and Bills. Automatically print receipts if you want auto printing. Adjust advanced settings if needed. Run a test print to confirm. And click Save. Your Bluetooth printer is now connected. Next, let's look at Wi-Fi printers. Make sure both your POS device and the printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You'll need the printer's IP address. Most printers can print a configuration page. On many models, just hold the feed button while powering it on. In the POS app, go to Printer Setup. Enter a printer name. Choose the printer model. Set the connection mode to Wi-Fi. Enter the IP address. Select paper size. Adjust any advanced settings. Tap Save. Your Wi-Fi printer is now ready. Finally, let's set up a network or Ethernet printer. These printers connect to your router or switch using an Ethernet RJ45 cable. The setup is almost identical to Wi-Fi printers. Print the configuration page to view the IP address. In the POS app, go to Printer Setup. Enter a name and select the model. Choose Network, Ethernet, under Connection mode. Enter the printer IP address. Select the paper size. Adjust advanced settings if needed. Save and run a test print. Here's the key difference. Wi-Fi printers connect wirelessly and give you more flexibility in placement. Ethernet printers use a wired connection, which offers better stability for continuous use. Once tested, your Ethernet printer is ready to go. Before we wrap up, here are some important tips and common mistakes to avoid when setting up your USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi printer. Don't skip the search step. Even if your printer is plugged in or paired, always tap Search under Connected Devices to make sure the app detects it properly. Allow necessary permissions. Make sure your POS device gives the SalesPlay app permission to access USB or Bluetooth